Listen, if you're still thinking AI is just for writing a few emails, you're about to be left in the dust. Today, we're diving into 10 absolutely insane AI websites for 2026, and these things feel like they were pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. These are the tools that are going to define the future for entrepreneurs. So I have to ask you, seriously, are you still just using AI to help you write emails? Because if you are missing out on a massive revolution that is completely changing how business gets done. Look, it's 2026. The entire landscape has shifted. Using these new tools isn't just about getting an edge anymore, it's about survival. If you're not on board, you're not just falling behind, you're kind of becoming irrelevant. So let's fix that right now. All right, first up, let's build out your new automation toolkit. These first few websites are the absolute foundation for putting your business on autopilot and leaving your competition completely scratching their heads. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is a tool that I swear is about to save e-commerce entrepreneurs an absolute fortune. Say goodbye to all those expensive, time-consuming product photo shoots. With NeuroRender, you just take one simple 2D photo of your product, and the AI generates a completely interactive 3D environment. I mean, for anyone in e-commerce, this is a total game changer for showing off your products. Coming in hot at number 9 is Echo Voice AI, and this, my friends, is how you go global, instantly. So Echo Voice AI, it doesn't just clone the sound of your voice, it captures the emotion, the personality, and then perfectly translates it into 50 different languages. What does that mean for you? It means you can launch global marketing campaigns and localize all your content for dozens of markets, like overnight, all using your own authentic voice. It's wild. All right, at number 8, we have a tool that, well, it pretty much builds an entire business for you. Think of this as an entire branding and marketing team in a single click. You've got an idea for a business? You just type the niche into Autobrand Pro, and it builds everything. The logo, a working website, all the marketing copy you need, and even your first month of social media content. You can literally launch a new company in a weekend, not a quarter. And rounding out our first block at number 7 is a tool that honestly might just be the end of Google search as we know it. Yeah, this is the end of searching the old way. You know, instead of scrolling through page after page of conflicting sources, Deep Research 2.0 just reads thousands of verified papers and articles to give you one single, factual, and perfectly cited summary on any topic you can think of. And it does it instantly. All right, we've covered the basic automation toolkit. Now we're getting into the real powerhouses. These next tools aren't just for marketing or research. They actually manage the core operations of your business for you. Coming in at number 6 is CodeWeaver. You know that promise of an AI that codes your business for you? Well, it's not a promise anymore, it's a reality. You feed it your business plan, and it writes the complete, ready-to-deploy code for your app or your internal software. It's like having an entire software development team on call 24/7. At number 5, we are ending logistical nightmares for anyone who sells physical products. Kinetic Chain AI is a predictive system that automates your entire supply chain. I'm talking everything from inventory and forecasting demand to negotiating with suppliers and handling logistics, all without you lifting a finger. Grabbing the number 4 spot is Market Pulse AI. Just imagine having an expert business strategist that literally never sleeps. That's what this is. It monitors your competitors, market trends, and what your customers are doing 24/7 to generate automated growth strategies that keep you permanently ahead of the curve. Okay, so we've automated our operations. Now let's get creative. These next 2 tools are completely revolutionizing content creation, and believe me, they are setting the stage for our incredible number 1 spot. We're getting so close. At number 3, say goodbye to music licensing fees forever. Seriously. With Vibe Composer, you just describe a feeling, like hopeful startup ad or epic movie trailer, and it composes a unique broadcast quality soundtrack for you, right on the spot. An infinite library of custom music is now yours. And at number 2, wow, this is not just some AI copywriter. SagaScribe is an AI storyteller. You give it a 1-paragraph concept for an ad campaign or a brand story, and it generates a complete, compelling narrative from start to finish. It writes the whole story for you. And as incredible as this is, it's just the warm-up for what's next. Okay, we've seen AI that can brand your business, code it, strategize for it, and create for it. But the number 1 tool on our list for 2026, it operates on a completely different level. This right here is the ultimate game changer. So, I've got to ask you one last time. Are you really ready for the future of creation? Because it's here. The #1 most insane, life-changing AI website for any entrepreneur in 2026 is Dream Engine AI. This changes absolutely everything. You literally describe a movie scene, a brand experience, a video game, whatever you can imagine, and Dream Engine generates a fully playable, interactive 3D environment in real time. This isn't text to video. That's old news. This is text to reality. The future of creating content has arrived. The speed of AI in 2026 it's mind-blowing. And these tools are available to you right now. So the only question left is, what's your next move to make sure your business doesn't just survive, but thrives? So here's your action plan. It's simple. First, explore all the links I've put down in the description. Second, I want you to identify the single most impactful tool for your business from this list. Third, commit to automating just one little process this week using what you've learned. And finally, of course, make sure you're subscribed so you can always stay ahead of the curve. Now, I really want to hear from you. Which one of these tools felt like it was pulled straight out of a movie? Let me know down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.